open.
Open. Aha.
Oh no, me painting. I mean, where is my beautiful painting? The opening is in an hour and people are coming to see it. What are we going to do?
Do painting.
Nice one, Dara.
We can paint it!
Yes!
Look at all these beautiful paintings. I'm so excited to start painting for the big exhibition.
What will we paint?
Right.
Tractor. Good. Will I try?
Joe.
Now, let's add color. Black for the wheels. Green, tractor. Blue, sky. This could be the best painting ever. Good work.
Yeah.
Yes!
Ah! Hello, Ozzy.
Hello, wife.
We are painting.